While the world eyes remain fixed on the fading glow of traditional tech hub, a silent tectonic shift is occurring under the radar. We are witnessing the end of software-only era and the birth of physical sovereignty from the ultra-high-spec clean room of Sanand to the deep water automated dock of Dholera. The very logic of global labor and logistics is being rewritten. This isn't just a pivot in the semiconductor market. It is a full-scale migration of the fundamental building block of 2026 intelligence. We are tracking the invisible freight, the massive tonnage of green steel, and the high precision DRAM flows that indicate a new industrial map. The question isn't whether the center of gravity has moved. It's whether you are positioned to survive the impact. Welcome to the Sovereign Blueprint. For decades, the world believed that software was eating the world, but in 2026, software is a commodity. The real alpha has moved to the physical atom. Why Sanand? Why Gujarat? Because while Silicon Valley struggled with energy grids and aging infrastructure, the Sanand-Dholera corridor is being built as a sovereign island of industrial power. We are talking about 500,000 square feet of clean room space, one of the largest single-floor operations on the planet. This is where the inference economic of the next decade are being forged. It's not just manufacturing, it's control. On February 28, Micron Technology dispatched its first made in India DRAM shipment from Sanand to Dell Technologies. This milestone marked more than just a delivery. It represented a significant step in India's growing semiconductor manufacturing journey. The milestone proves that Sanand speed is now a global reality, going from groundbreaking to production in only 900 days, showcasing the speed, capability, and determination behind India's semiconductor ambitions. The $11 billion Tata Electronics Power Chip Semiconductor Manufacturing Corporation Fab in Dholera is rapidly taking shape, with state-of-the-art lithography machine now being installed as part of the next phase of construction. Western tech hubs are now legacy systems. The new hardware heart is beating in Sanand. This combo of sovereign IP and physical wafers will make India the unbeatable king of the AI supply chain. This is the first 195-second pivot. We aren't just looking at a factory, we are looking at the new headquarters of global intelligence. The Ahmedabad-Dholera Expressway isn't just a road, it's a high-velocity data trench. Beneath the asphalt, the $10 billion Tillman Global Data Center project is laying a digital foundation. This is the groundwork for AI labor zone designed to operate beyond Western regulatory limits. If you track AIS vessel movement, a massive industrial signal becomes visible. There has been a 30% surge in specialized chemical freight heading straight to this region. This is the invisible freight, the chemical precursor to a massive industrial explosion. Mainstream media is missing it, but a 30 to 90 days industrial countdown has begun in Sanand. Over the next 90 days, we will witness an industrial shift that redefines the Indian economy. Logistic metadata never lies the arrival of chemical signals, the start of mass production. This convergence of silicon and steel is turning Dholera into India's new sovereign hub. Connectivity here isn't just about transport, it's about global intelligence integration. By the time the West sets regulation, Dholera will be the king of AI-driven labor. Tracking this invisible freight is the ultimate alpha strategy for serious investors. Dholera isn't just a city, it's our new engine for silicon-based inference economics. The combination of automation and chemical precursor is the biggest story of 2026. Look behind the mainstream news. The real truth is hidden in the numbers and vessel tracking. The $10 billion investment is just the start. Dholera is ready for its black swan movement. Stay ready because the invisible freight is about to become very visible. This isn't just an industrial shift, it's a new move on the global chessboard. While mainstream news hunts for headlines, smart money follows the logic 13 infrastructure. The fusion of physical assets and digital intelligence is your ultimate safety net. Software without hardware is an illusion, and in 2026, illusions are expensive. We are opening the world. The truth of the physical atom is now before you. Get ready because we are now entering the sovereign exit. The 1% risk rule dictates that you cannot ignore this shift. The decoupling of the global supply chain is complete. You have a choice: cling to the software only illusion or align with the physical sovereignty of the 2026 map. The global center of gravity has moved. This isn't just an industrial shift. It is the birth of a new power structure. The blueprint is set. The entire silicon to inference pipeline is now under local command. Supply chain decoupling is now a reality. Stay ahead of the shift. The documentation is complete. Sovereign blueprint. Be ready.